Most people think opening ChatGPT is easy. They are wrong. One wrong click and you could accidentally open a spreadsheet. Before we begin, pause this video. Share this strictly with one friend who urgently needs this training. You know exactly who I'm talking about. The one who still types Google into Google. Done? Good. You have likely saved their career. Now, let us begin the procedure. Step 1. The approach. Look at your mouse cursor. It is currently resting. Do not wake it up suddenly. Gently slide your mouse toward your internet browser. If you move too fast, the cursor might get dizzy. We want a smooth, confident glide. Hover here for 3 seconds. Let the browser know you are coming. It's called digital manners. Step 2. Do not use the big search bar in the middle. That is for commoners looking for cat videos. We are going to the address bar, the VIP entrance. Now, type the secret code, chat, then a dot, then open AI, then another dot, then com. Do not use emojis. The address bar does not like your smileys. Now, press enter. But be careful. Once you press this button, you're sending a message to space, and space has to send a message back. Success! We have reached the front door, but it is locked. You will see 2 buttons, log in and sign up. If you click sign up, you will have to do paperwork. We hate paperwork. Click login, and there it is, the empty void. It is staring at you. You are staring at it. Congratulations, you have successfully opened ChatGPT. Now, click subscribe. It is the only way to save your progress.